Hi guys, welcome to our Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make Thai beef curry. Okay, so this is my way of making this Thai beef curry. I bought this beef which is chuck. I've cut it in nice juliennes long. And of course, to make it look bigger part, I'm going to add zucchini. You can also add eggplant in it. Zucchini goes well. You don't want to overcook it. It just absorbs the nice curry sauce and the coconut, this coconut gravy. It goes very well into this. And this is our red Thai chili sauce, okay? The red Thai curry paste. You can get it any South Asian grocery store. And this is the fast way to use this instead of grinding everything else like galanga and basil and kaffir lime leaves and all that stuff. So this is just amazing thing. We just use this, mix it in this, and you're gonna love this recipe. Okay, so to this I'm gonna add some oil now. This is our olive oil. Now if I would have actually made it well, I could have used also coconut oil. It really goes well. So let this heat up. I've been heating this up. And now this is my version of making this Thai curry paste. There are a lot of different versions Thai curry. Now the reason I like to make it this way, so I can add some vegetables also to it, okay? You can add different types of vegetables to it. Here we are, saute this beef nicely with all this curry paste that we have here. This is about 4 tablespoons of this lovely curry paste. Okay, so nicely brown it to that. Now if you want to add more, you can always add more, believe me. But there are people in our house, they don't like it very hot or spicy, so you gotta keep it mild. And now today I didn't find any fresh basil leaves to go into it. The fresh basil leaves, once you put in this, it just gives that immaculate kind of sweet aroma to any Thai curry paste. Thai curry. Okay, so now you browned it real good. Now always use, okay, you can already smell always use the thick part of the coconut. Now why do you do that? You know what happens is when you do that, they always use it twice. The thick part of the coconut, what you're doing is getting all the flavor of the thicker coconut into your actual gravy. So that's what is the key to any Thai sauce or even Indian sauce when we make it. So now we're gonna high heat, simmer this in that high heat so it goes well. The coconut goes very well into this and envelops the pieces of beef. Okay, so this is, now let it sit covered for maybe 1 minute or so. Okay, so now it's 1 minute. So what I'm doing is basically sealing this kind of, this thing, drying it up in this, okay? And cooking, giving all the coconut flavor it can with all the Thai spices. Now if you want to make it more spicy, I would have added little chilies, red chilies into this to give it some nice color. But to this now I'm going to add the rest of the coconut milk, and going to add some water into it. Okay, now I'm going to add some water into it. Half teaspoon of salt, and as usual salt to taste. Now I'm going to add some cilantro right here in this to give it nice cilantro flavor. This is where you can also add some basil leaves and let it come to a simmer. Very simple recipe. I don't want to complicate this. I like this the way it is, and I'm going to add my zucchini in this now. All the zucchini. Sorry. Oh man, this looks heavenly. Okay, so all the zucchini, let it slowly cook for about 10 minutes on low fire. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes from the time we put this lid on, and let's check it out. I don't want to cook the zucchini up too much, otherwise it gets very mushy. You want it nice and crunchy, and I think it is ready. So voila, here's a Thai beef curry, my way of making this beef curry. Okay, so now we got a rice here, nice jasmine rice. And I'm gonna plate this awesome curry. Now my curry is little soupier, you see, and you want it that soupy consistency for it to come on that rice. There you are. Beautiful. So we just put some nice cilantro on top of it. Okay, so here you are, a fantastic Thai beef curry with zucchini. Okay guys, so today we made the Thai beef curry my way, and we're gonna taste it. I'll let you know how it is. Oh, amazing. It's nice flavor because of the Thai chili paste and everything, and the coconut milk. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!